Hi, my name is Angel from Just Press Play, and this is how to make southern fried crappie. You put your white cornmeal, Tony Chachere's salt, pepper, and your crappie, and you shake it. And now we're going to deep fry it.
Then we'll take it over here. It's Michael from Just Press Play. We're going to take it over here. I'll show you what we're using. We're at Sugarloaf Campground, close to the Coy River. Nice little campground. My brother-in-law Jason, Just Press Play. Look at this fish. Wow, looks good. He's got a deep fryer here that runs off propane. Nice. I think he got it off of Amazon. And then, Angel, how long would you say it takes to cook?
Until it's golden brown, probably about 2 or 3 minutes.
2 or 3 minutes. 375. And you just drop her in. There it goes. There it is. This is Michael from Just Press Play, and I'm going to try this fish out. Good stuff.